If you want to rotate text in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to rotate a text title, adjust the angle, and get it looking exactly how you want on your timeline. This is a simple but really useful trick for editing intros, lower thirds, social media clips, and any project where you want your text to stand out a little more. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure you're inside DaVinci Resolve and you have your project open. To begin, look for the Effects library in the top left area of the interface. Click the Effects button to open it. Inside the Effects library, you'll find all kinds of generator templates, including text titles and Fusion-based text options. This is where you'll access the title you need for your edit. Next, go down to the Titles section inside the Toolbox category. From there, find the text title. Now simply drag that text title onto a track above your video clips on the timeline. This part is important because placing the title on a higher track makes sure it appears on top of your footage in the viewer. If you place it below your video, you won't see it properly, so always keep your title on a layer above the background clip. Once the text clip is on the timeline, click it to select it. After that, open the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't see the inspector, make sure it's enabled, because this panel is where you'll control most of the clip settings. The inspector gives you access to the text itself, along with transform options like position, zoom, and rotation. Now look for the Video tab inside the inspector. Under that tab, find the Transform section. This is where the rotation angle slider is located. That specific setting controls the orientation of the entire text block around its center point. So if you want the text to tilt, slant, or spin into a different angle, this is the control you'll use. To rotate the text, click and drag the value next to Rotation Angle, or use the slider until you reach the angle you want. You'll see the change update in real time in the timeline viewer, which makes it easy to fine-tune the look while you work. You can rotate it just a little for a clean, stylized effect, or give it a more dramatic angle if you want something bold and noticeable. Take your time here and adjust it until the text matches the style of your video. If you ever want to bring the text back to a normal horizontal position, there's a quick way to do that too. Just double-click the rotation angle label and it will reset the value back to its default of 0 degrees. That instantly returns the text to its original straight alignment, which is perfect if you want to start over or undo a rotation you no longer need. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate text in DaVinci Resolve 20 using the inspector and rotation angle setting. It's a very easy adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the look and feel of your edits. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikTok clips, presentations, or cinematic titles, this is a handy tool to know. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.